Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight we're going to do a quick video on fractions. This will be for an 8th grade group here in town. Students are having need a little clarity on a few items. If you had a fraction, let's say it was 1/2. Well, let me back up. If you had 9/18, and you were asked to reduce that, well, we would say, well, okay, that's 9 times 1 over 9 times 2. The 9's cancel, and I'm left with 1/2. Okay, in this section that you're working in right now, and you students know who I'm talking to, they're asking you, how do I get from 1/2 to something over 18? That's what they're asking you to do. 1/2 is equivalent to something in the box over 18. Well, I know 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I can multiply this side by 1, but I'm letting my 1 be 9/9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. If you say 0, I'm coming to your house. Okay, 9 times 2 is 18. Always do the denominator first so that you can make certain what you've chosen to multiply by actually gives you the denominator you're looking for. If I had 8 times 2 is 16, whoops, I put the wrong number there. Okay, so that's a good check. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, that's what they're asking you to do in this section. This first one here, 3/4 equals something in the box divided by 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I'm going to multiply this by 3/3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. Let's see if that's correct. 9/12. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3/3 is 1. There's my 3/4. Okay. Let's see. We'll get a little harder in a moment. Minus 2x, or minus 2/x, equals something in the box divided by 7x. Okay, 7x divided by x is 7. 7/7. Okay, 7 times x is 7x. Yay. -2 times 7 is -14. So -14 is equivalent to -2/x. Let's just see if it is. Okay, -14 divided by 7 is -2. Okay, so -2/x. Nothing to it. We're gonna get some harder ones in a moment. Hey, let's just jump on down there. All right, a minus 2 over a plus 3 equals something in the box divided by a squared plus 5a plus 6. That's an A. It's a bad A. A. What's the rule we go by? When in doubt, when I don't know what to do, factor. So, let me factor this guy here. A squared is A times A. 6 plus 3 plus 2. So positive 3 times A is plus 3A. Positive 2 times A is a positive 2A. Okay, A times A is A squared. 3a plus 2a is plus 5a. Positive 3 times positive 2 is a positive 6. So I have a plus 3 and a plus 2. All right, I can change, well, I'm going to change that now to a plus 3 and a plus 2. Okay? It gives me that a squared plus 5a plus 6 that I had originally. Now, if I have two fractions, it's always good to put those things with a common denominator. Okay? I'm trying to say, how is this the same as that? Well, I don't have an a plus 2 here. So, I'm going to multiply a plus 2 over a plus 2. Hey. Now, of course, the orders doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Same here. Okay? So what does that amount to? This, what goes in the box then, since I now have a common denominator, is a plus 2, a minus 2. Oh, I can see that's the difference in two squares. You've been studying that. Let's FOIL that. A times a squared. Minus 2a plus 2a minus 4. So I have a negative 2 plus 2. Those cancel. I have a squared minus 4. A squared minus 4. Or, if I didn't do that, hey, let me just put this a plus 2, a minus 2. I could, in fact, if I cancel those two right there, what do I end up with? What I started, a minus 2, a plus 3. All right. So that's what goes in the box. All right, let's do one more. This would be C1, page 112 for those that are keeping count. All right, I have 3. I think my pen's about to go. Let me grab another one. Hold on. Okay, I have 3 times x minus 2. Over 2x minus 3. Minus 5 times 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 3. Plus 3 times x minus 1 over 3 minus 2x. And they're asking us to reduce this. One thing that jumps out at me when I look at it, I have 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, well then I have this crazy looking thing. 3 minus 2x. If I factor a negative 1 out of that, negative 1 times 2x, that's a positive, which becomes now a negative. Let me work this inside. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative is a positive 3. So negative 2x plus 3, which is what I have here. But you'll notice that now gives me a 2x minus 3. So that's what I want to do. I'm factoring a negative 1 out of that. Negative 2x minus 3. So now I've changed that to a common denominator by doing this, factoring a negative 1 out. Now, let me distribute. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Minus, and keep in mind all of this is over 2x minus 3. Okay, negative 5 times 2x is minus 10x. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Negative 3 times x is minus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. 3x minus 6 minus 10x minus 5 minus 3x plus 3. All right, let's collect terms. 3x minus 10x, well, 3x minus 3x, those cancel. So I'm left with a negative 10x. And then negative 5 minus 5 is minus 11. Plus 3 is minus 8. All over, let me make certain, yeah, negative 10x minus 8 over 2x minus 3. Now if you wanted to, you could factor that negative 2 out. Negative 2 times 5x plus 4 gives me a negative 10x minus 8 over 2x minus 3. Okay? Not so bad there. That's the lessons that you're working on currently, trying to find common denominators, understanding how to manipulate the fractions. Okay, sorry for the quick video, but I just wanted to help some folks, give them some clarity. All right, why are we doing this? Together we're trying to build a better tomorrow, and do that how? Do that through math. Okay, that's all for now. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks.